So I'm super excited. I'm on my way to the dollar store right now to see all the products I can get for book folding on the cheap. My hunch is there's going to be a lot more there than I expect. So let me go ahead and park, and then we can head in the dollar store and see all of the treasures that we can get. So excited. So let's go ahead and park, and I'll meet you inside. Getting ready to go into the dollar store. Let's see what items we can get for book folding. So at this dollar store you can see there's a lot of books. And if you come over here,
You know what else we could get?
they do have within the shelves some hardcover ones that would be perfect. So you just kind of have to pick through. And different dollar stores will have different things. But so that's the first amazing thing you can get at the dollar store are your books. So over here, if you don't have a bone folder, you can go ahead and use this instead. So that would be another great item. If you're doing the cut and fold method and you need precision scissors, they have them as well. Now to decorate the covers, you could get washi tape here. Then you could also get material to cover it. And then you could also, they have all these different wood pieces that you could add to the covers. And then tons and tons of stickers. Then if you look right over here, there's lots and lots of different ribbons. So if you like to tie a ribbon around your book to position it as just so, they have a ton of those things as well. And here they have white glue if you need to glue down some of the small tabs in the cut and fold. And if you come over here and you need rulers, you don't get one, you don't get two, you get 3 rulers with centimeters for $1. Oh my gosh, if you need an eraser, oh my gosh, they have these erasers right here. So if you want to erase all those cut and fold marks to make it perfect and professional, you can get 6 erasers for $1. Probably one of the most amazing things you can get at the dollar store are these cheater glasses. So when you're making all those fine measurements, you might want one of these glasses. Amazing find for $1.